Have you ever seen those faceless finance channels that just explode out of nowhere? Channels with millions of views, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and consistent monthly revenue. And all of this in just a few months. It almost feels unfair how fast they grow. So the real question is, can we recreate this kind of success using Vexub? That's exactly what we are going to test today. If you don't know, Vexub is an AI platform that can handle everything from generating scripts to creating voiceovers and visuals, all in one place. Perfect for faceless content creation. Here's how we are going to do it. First, we need a video topic. You can brainstorm ideas in ChatGPT or even take inspiration from channels that are already doing well. For this example, let's pick this video title, How to Save $1,000 a Month Without Feeling the Pain. Now let's head over to vexub.com, select text to video, then click go to step 2. Since this is a long form content, select horizontal format and proceed to step 3. Here you will see the option to choose an animated narrator. We are skipping it because we need a fully faceless video. So select no narrator, then pick a voice and click on go to step 4. Now comes the first big test. We paste the video title and click generate script. Within seconds, Vexub gives us a complete script. It's already decent, but you can tweak it slightly to make it more natural or add your own examples. Once satisfied, click go to step 5. This is where you decide how your video will look. For this niche, human style visuals work best. They feel professional and clean and relatable. But if you want, you can try custom styles like minimal text with clean charts or flat 2D vector animations. For this test, we'll stick with human visuals and click start generation. Vexub now starts building the video. Within moments, the video is ready. Let's play it.
You can save $1,000 a month easily. Let's break it down. First, think about your spending habits. Are you buying that morning coffee every day? That's around $350. In a month, that's over $100.
First impression, it looks almost perfect. All the visuals match with the script, the voiceover is clear, and it's fully faceless. But the beauty of Vexub is that you are not stuck with the first result. You can customize every scene, swap AI-generated images, or choose stock footages to refine it further. So what do we learn here? Yes, this style of faceless finance videos can absolutely be created using Vexub. From script to visuals to voiceover, one platform handles it all, making YouTube automation easier than ever. If you want to try creating videos in this niche, test your ideas with free credits on Vexub, and once you are serious, explore their subscription packages. You could literally start building your own automated faceless channel today. So what do you think? Can we take this niche and pull it off with Vexub? Absolutely yes. Just pick your topic, follow the steps, and let the platform do the heavy lifting. That's all for today's test. Let me know in the comments what niche you want me to test next using Vexub, and I will show you exactly how it can work. Till then, stay safe, be happy, bye bye.